Hover over the Jobs tab in your TechMan system and select TechView Check Sheets. Here you can see the ready-made check sheets in the TechMan system. Here we have a courtesy car checklist, 3 types of service check sheets and a vehicle health check. First, let's try editing an existing check sheet, and let's start with the vehicle health check. Click on Edit on the right-hand side to start making changes. Let's scroll down and view the existing question groups and questions. The only question group in this instance is simply named Questions. If we wanted to add additional question groups, we could do so by clicking Add Question Group. Here we can also select Answer Questions as a group, which will enable the technician to answer the group as a whole, as opposed to opening each individual question. Below, we have the 13 preset questions for the vehicle health check. You can edit the question text and even add a tip for the technician. The answer type can be adjusted per question in the drop-down menu. The options available are traffic lights, tyre conditions commercial, yes and no, serviceability, multiple texts, free text, image upload, and signature capture. And here you can leave a note suggestion for the technician. On the right-hand side, you can assign a service assist video to the question, as well as allowing notes, supporting images, follow-up dates, and the question to be skipped by the technician. Additionally, you can delete a question here or assign it to any question groups that have been made. Once you're happy with your changes, ensure you scroll down and hit Save. If you'd like to create a new check sheet, simply select the blue plus button in the top left corner or select the New Check Sheet option in the top right corner. Now you can assign a name for the check sheet, then add a start and end message for the technician's benefit if you wish. Next, by selecting Answer in Sequence, it will ensure that the check sheet is answered in order. The check sheet can be set up to be added to all new jobs and also to be signed off on TechMan at the point of invoicing. From here, you can add question groups and questions as shown during the Edit step. When creating or editing an existing job using the Check Sheets drop-down menu, you will be able to select the desired check sheet and add it to the job. Remember to then save the job at the bottom here. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.